Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some big fluffy pancakes and you will not believe how big these pancakes. So first we're going to pour in the milk. Okay, we poured in the milk. Now let's crack these eggs. Okay, we cracked the eggs. Okay guys, finish mixing the eggs and milk and it looks so melty. So we're going to melt some butter and pour it into our substance. Okay guys, we finished boiling our water, so I am going to pour it into this bowl and melt our butter over here so we can pour it into our milk and eggs. Okay, now let's put our butter aside and hope it melts very quickly. Okay guys, we finished melting our butter. See this? Melted butter. So let's pour it into our egg and milk. And mix. Finish mixing the butter in with our milk and eggs. And I am going to put the flour into the measuring bowl. But before I do that, I need to say thank you to my mom for allowing me to do this. But she said on one condition, if I keep the house clean. So let's just pour flour and just don't mind Daniel. 200 grams. This is perfect. Okay, finish weighing the flour and let's pour it into our thing. Okay, let's put this back here and mix. But make sure not to mix for too long so that your pancakes don't break down. Let me just clean up my cooking station. Okay, let's pour the sugar into this bowl and measure it. Okay, I think we put enough sugar and let's weigh it. 100 grams. Perfect. Let's pour it into the mixture. Now let's mix. Okay, I finished mixing our batter and my mom got me this really big spoon and we are going to get a bowl and put it into our... Okay, so let's now pour in our batter.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
So that we can keep all the air in and so that the top side can cook as well.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message
Okay guys, I think it's
received.
ready. So
You
let's
said
just
you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you
Look, guys.
around.
Master Chef
Funny the
over
way this
here.
is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for
Welcome
now.
back guys. I just put butter on my pancake. My brother doesn't want butter on his pancake. I don't know why. And did you guys know that pancakes were first invented in ancient Greece? Anyways, I'm gonna put
So
my
when you
maple
stop
syrup
paying
on
so
my
much
pancake and
attention,
put it on my brother's.
and when you're moving in another direction, perfection. Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still